Plus location is a significant advantage. Plus UK adapter was provided at reception, plus capsule coffee machine and 5 capsules, renewed each day, plus complimentary water each day, plus several nice restaurants and pubs quite close, plus staff was nice and friendly, plus quite spacious room, plus
Included
iron board
breakfast was commented to be good in previous reviews. Yet in reality there were 0 hot meals in breakfast included. All, for extra payment. Which is shocking for 4. Breakfast was, muesli, cheese, salami, jam, bread,
fabulous,
vegetable.
Modern hotel in a great leafy, quiet area. I was very comfortable staying there alone, as my friends were in another hotel. The decor is fabulous, room spacious, clean, comfy bed, great Nespresso coffee machine and everything you might need.
My room 302 I guess was the weirdest in the hotel. When you open the door to enter the room you get into a very tiny, small space with 2 another doors. One to the bathroom on the right and one to the actually room on your left, as if you had to share the bathroom with someone else.
Room was spacious and great facilities with the espresso machine and tea coffee available. Chocolate on pillows was a nice touch. Nice clean modern bathroom with good showers. Lovely quiet location, no noise from outside or within the hotel.
I had breakfast which was part of the fee, however they don't tell you that the English breakfast has to be paid for, even though I asked 3 times was breakfast include to 3 people. So they wanted to charge me for English halfway through my meal. What was included was the continental,